Tillers are not cheap. New's about $1,000 even for something like this size. Used, rarely see them. And when I first got this tractor, I really didn't have the budget to be spending that on a nice tiller, and I really want to reverse tine. This Bolens garden tractor tiller came about, and I saw that it had arms immediately. This is a stock arm, and this is the stock arm. And down here, and I was like, well, it kind of looks like a 3-point. It's got a U-joint shaft. Shoot, I can make it into a 3-point. So it would normally have a flat plate on the top. I got rid of that because of the angle I have it running, and I think I actually have it upside down too. I forget. Anyway, this is 5 years ago, so I kind of forget some of the details. But anyway, all I had to do is make arms up, make this wider, make a PTO shaft. This is a number 6 series U-joint, pretty common. And I happen to have this already, so I put it onto a rectangle shaft. Did have to reverse flip the tines because it's in the reverse direction, which is really nice because this tiller sucks itself down, pulling everything up, and pretty much one pass is all that's needed. Because the gear housing leaves an empty spot, I put a cultivator tine in here. You can see that arm is really long. I did not know that this was going to be an issue, so since normally a PTO shaft would be coming up here in the center of the 3 arms. Well, this is between the 2 arms, so it's really low. So when that tiller gets sunk down, PTO shaft is going to extend a lot, moving the 3rd member to tilt it a lot to where it's pointing up, and it won't do that as bad. Yeah, I could be using some shielding and protection. Good, like I said, one pass, reverse tine, it digs itself in deep. This is geared really low because it's coming from the garden tractor directly from the engine speed gearing down. So what's nice about some of these older foreign tractors is they do have a higher speed. It's like a 700 RPM something, so I do run it in a higher RPM. I've even seen some of them where extenders, to make this even longer, you can make it wider. So maybe that gives you an idea for a cheap 3-point tiller alternative. Some of you might say, hey, why don't you just use a mobile or plow? My little tractor doesn't have enough weight to, I have a previous video where I do it. It's okay. I've tried a little chisel plow, I've tried sweeps, tried all sorts of tines. This ground is just too hard.